I got the TV. Oh yeah, that's a weird check. Oh yeah, the check is moving. Again? Weather morning? But it's early weather. Oh my god, guys, do you see a moon?
Warning. The County Weather Service has issued a warning for a meteorological event. This warning is effective immediately and continues until sunrise tomorrow morning. Citizens are advised not to observe this event with the naked eye.
You kidding me? What the hell? Do you see that?
Warning.
Again?
Your local
There's
county
more?
authorities have issued a civil danger
Oh my
alert.
god.
The County
it
Weather
a
Service has
danger?
issued the following correction for the weather warning in effect. For your safety, remain indoors.
What the heck was that?
The meteorological event
Oh my
is
God,
safe
he
for
changed
all
his
to
voice
view.
riff.
Warning has been lifted.
No, we can't go outside. We just stay in my house. Oh! Wait, is that the blood moon? Do not look at the moon? Oh no, this is not good. Oh my god! What the heck? Avoid menace? Oh no. Do not look up. You gotta be kidding me.
Close and secure all possible entrances to your home. Switch off all lights. Do not look out of any window.
What?
Do not respond to any knocks on your windows or doors until the all clear is given. Remain silent at all times. Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside of your home. Do not attempt to investigate any noise which emanates from outside your home. Do not attempt to investigate any lights outside your home.
Oh god.
If you see any
I think these people
unidentified
being
figure
scared.
inside your home, or from the corner of your eyes,
Oi!
Attempt to make contact.
Why is the voice very low?
She is on
Oh my god, the voice is scary! No. I don't like the voice.
Should any member of your family go missing, go out and search for them.
If you are afraid, we will look together.
Oh my god, this is really bad idea this time. I know I think something bad's gonna happen this time and never for real. Who's there? Oh no, here it comes. Oh no!